As parts of the UK struggle to deal with yet more bad weather, for some the giant waves and powerful winds were a bonus. Windsurfers on the south coast took to the sea to battle the elements, and news cameras were there to capture it all. But weather like this is not commonplace in Britain, and it was sometimes a bit too much, even for these talented extreme sportsmen. The gusts of wind and waves here off Christchurch, Dorset didn't cause as much damage as further west off the coast of Aberystwyth in Wales. There, the entire promenade was essentially destroyed. This seaview shelter also succumbed to the tide. Britain remains at risk of flooding today as rain continues to plague the south of the country. The Environment Agency actually sounded its flood siren in Dorset last night. That only happens when people and property are deemed to be in extreme danger. The government says flood management is a real priority and claims it's spending more than ever on flood defences. Environmentalists disagree, stating DEFRA figures dispute the government's claim.